In this training video, we're going to look at linking cells between different worksheets. So if I look at the annual worksheet, I can see I've got total sales as a heading in B2, and I want to find out the total sales for all 4 quarters in effect. That's what I'm trying to achieve here. So if I look at quarter 1, the total sales happen to be in cell E8. Quarter 2, it's repeating itself, and quarter 3 and quarter 4. So in effect, I'm trying to add up E8 from all 4 quarters. So there's different ways of linking formulas. So I'm going to show you 2 methods. So I'm going to start off in the annual worksheet equals to start a formula off, a linking formula off, quarter 1. Then I'm going to go and click in cell E8 plus. Now this is when you've got to know how to read a formula bar. So in effect, quarter 1 is the worksheet. So that's the worksheet we're working on. Now the reason it's in single inverted commas is because the name of the worksheet has a little space in it. If there's no space, there wouldn't be in inverted commas. So that's sometimes the danger of putting spaces between worksheet names, is you see symbols in a formula bar that you're not sure what it means. That's all it means, is the inverted commas mean the worksheet, but they're being used because of a space. Then the exclamation mark in effect means which cell in the sheet. So the cell is E8 in this case. So you translate what you're looking at. So we're plus in quarter 2, E8, plus again quarter 3, E8. So we're just checking the 8s all the time, plus quarter 4, E8. Now I've finished all my E8s, my different quarters. Enter to accept the answer. So 94,613.98. Now I can copy this across for total expenses and net profits. And this is only because of the design of the quarterly worksheets. If I quickly look into the design of the quarterly worksheets, because total sales is next to expenses and net profits, the design of these worksheets has allowed the formula to be copied across. So when you're doing this kind of thing, linking worksheets together or even workbooks, the design is really important for if you ever want to copy information across. Now the danger between this, the danger for this model and this way of linking is if you had 30 worksheets and you're doing the same cell and you're going plus, 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 that's going to take you a heck of a long time in completing it, and it's prone to error. Now there's a way that can be used for this to actually make this a lot quicker and a lot more effective, and that's using the sum function. So I'm going to find the sum function, and I'm just going to use the sum function to do exactly what I've just done to actually get the same answers. So sum means adding up or totaling. So I'm going to click in quarter 1, and I'm click on cell E8. Now I can affect the information in the formula bar, because as long as I know what it's doing, I can now affect different worksheets. So I know I'm going quarter 1 at present. I'm going to click after the 1 before the single inverted comma and put in a full colon dot dot. That dot dot means 2. So quarter 1 worksheet 2. In this case, I want quarter 4. So quarter 1, 2, quarter 4, 4, cell E8. And the answer is already given to us, 94,613. Click OK. And I can now copy it across. So nice way of working with linking formulas. 2 different ways. One of the pluses, and one with a sum function. Now some people might say, well, what happens if I want to add up only a E8 from quarter 1, quarter 3, and quarter 4 using the sum function? Easily done. Sum function, I'm just going to show you the test of this. So quarter 1, E8, click on the next number, then come down to quarter 3, E8, next one down, quarter 4, E8, OK. So in effect, by using this model, you can in effect add up any cells from anywhere using multiple workbooks, multiple worksheets. But this in this example covers linking, both using the additional formula where you add in quarters together for different cells, and using the sum function for cells going from worksheets going from one worksheet to another worksheet. And if you wanted to, from worksheets which are separated, so quarter 1, quarter 3, quarter 4. But this covers linking formulas using different worksheets in Microsoft Excel.